first pour the water in the cup. You know that's ASMR. Okay. Then to the other cup. Yeah. As you know, this is actually must, but we're just pouring it. Alright.
Wait, I need to open it.
Yeah. Okay, good.
There we go. Next, we get the powder. That's for it. There, that's enough. The spoons.
So I got the bigger spoon.
Then we mix.
Okay. So stir it up and see what it looks like.
I'm done with that.
So let's see. And it will turn orange.
Then that's all. We're done.
So the next thing we're gonna make is snacks.
The snack is Doritos. Now we open the Doritos. Next, we pour the Doritos in the bowl. Then we open it first. Big bang!
And we're done. But what?
We still have to make one more snack.
So the last one we're gonna make is desserts. So here are the ingredients.
The first dessert is popcorn. The second one is chocolate. I put it in the oven. Now we wait.
Okay.
It's inside.
So next we're gonna make the chocolate after that,
Yep.
which is yes.
Yep. It's yummy.
Never Cookie Monster eat cookies with chocolate.
Yep.
And what is this? A slide? Oh, sorry. Is this the one that's in it?
Now it's popping.
Oh yeah. So do you see it? It popped.
Now it's popping. We just have to wait for 1 minute.
Oh.
See, there's a big bag now.
Wait. Sorry, we're just making video. Oh my god.
31
seconds. Okay, let's do it. 10. Wait. If it's with zero, so okay.
It's almost done.
Okay.
I can smell
Let's
it.
count to 10 if it's 10 already. Okay.
Okay.
Go. And ready?
Steady.
10,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the popcorn's ready.
Nice. Don't touch it. It's hot. Okay.
I've got the popcorn.
Thanks.
There, we already made 2 snacks so far.
And so now we're gonna do the chocolate. We have 2 pieces.
Now I'm going to cut it with a knife and a chopping board. Now I'm going to cut it.
We will be fine. And remember,
Now we're done.
knives are sharp.
Now we put this.
Into a plate.
Now we put it in the plate. One by one. Here.
And that's the finished chocolate.
Then we're done with the episode.
So Now we're gonna eat. Alright, so there is a little bit of an accident. Joaquin's arms are so itchy.
And red.
Yeah, of course. So we are just, because we're done filming and then this what happened. What happened, Joaquin?
I don't know.
So that's the question. So please in the comments, what is Joaquin's question?
I don't know.
So that is the question. So, yeah, okay, bye.